Here we are at the Hyatt Zilara Cana, Hyatt Ziva Zilara Cana, and this is the brand new Waterslide park. There are 4 rides that are pretty exciting and are more for adults. There's 2 on this side, and there's a couple of more pedestrian ones in the middle, which would be good for younger kids. Of course, on this side we've got a splash park. Couple of different slides, like little mini slides. There's a towel center here, and there's some pretty crazy rides. There's also a little lazy river ride. This hotel opened 2 weeks ago, 14 days ago, and the Waterslide park just opened today, and it's already well in use. People are enjoying it. So they've got the rafts for the lazy river as well as for the big blue ride here. And that's a spray stuff where you can go around the lazy river. So you can see there's a little spot you're going to get dunked on here. And this one, I think they call this the Kamikaze slide, this yellow one right in front of me. It's the same as the crazy water slide they have at Atlantis in Nassau, Bahamas, and also at Sun City in Johannesburg, South Africa. And I've done that before. I haven't done this one yet, but I know it's fast and furious and a lot of fun and quite a lot scary. So if I can get a bunch of video likes, then I will. If I can get 100 likes by the end of next week, I will go on this ride. But no promises if I don't, because it's a little bit intimidating. There's somebody just coming down on the double raft right now. We'll watch for them to come out. Like I say, it's just opened up, passed all inspections. It looks to be really well crafted. The lifeguards are really on point, watching everything. Go. And then lazy river right over here. So yeah, this is the water park, and it's right beside the hotel. It's just up there. They have a little shuttle that'll bring you down here, or you can go for a wander. Towel station there, lots of chairs. They will be opening up some refreshments, non-alcoholic, because they want to keep everything safe, and I don't blame them, quite frankly. But yeah, it's a really good opportunity for us to check it out before everybody gets here and it gets crazy busy. We've been here for half an hour, and my husband's been on, I think, every slide twice. So it's definitely the fun place to be. It's just a closer look at the kids' water park. And everything should be all wide open in the next week or so. Hyatt Ziva Zilara Cana. Come and check it out.